we're going to do the area of a parallelogram. If this is a parallelogram has 4 sides. It has this side at the top is parallel to the one at the bottom, and the ones at the side are parallel or go in the same direction as each other. So this is called a parallelogram. It's got 2 pairs of parallel sides. Now, if we take a line, a vertical line from the bottom straight up, and we do the same at the other end, well, this one here is the same as this one here, because if you take this length across the top here, because of the slope, it will be the same as that one there. And they both have the same height. If you can imagine taking this piece here, let's see if I can take it. And let's chop it out and pop it over here. Then you would have a rectangle. Okay, so if we just take that and put that back there, then you have your parallelogram. So let's draw that back in over here. If I had this one over here and I just moved it across, oopsies, if I moved it across here, it gives me something like this. So I take this one here and I move it across here, then I'm going to have it like this. And this part here will disappear. So if you imagine that part there disappearing, then you would end up with a rectangle. And that rectangle is base times height. So we can say that the area of a parallelogram is the same as a rectangle, and we go base times height. And what you need to remember is that height has to be perpendicular to the base. That means it's got to go straight up like that. Okay, so it's got to go in that direction. And here, the height here, if you can see that, is at right angles to the base. Okay, and it goes straight up here, right to the top. So we take the base measurement here, which goes across the bottom here, and we times it by the height. And that will actually give us the area of a parallelogram.